my channel. Today's video is all about this super glow inspired by spring. I'm gonna show you how to intensify your glow from underneath your makeup. For spring, you want to do something fun, fresh, and colorful, but I still want to make it wearable for spring. I'm using the Natasha Denona Tropic Palette again. This look is so much fun for spring and summer. It's colorful, but it's still wearable. I added the 4 lashes, but you can totally wear this without the lashes. Just a couple of coat of mascara, then you're good to go. I hope you enjoy this fresh mint frost super glowy spring makeup look. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can let you know when I upload a new video like this one or when I review new products. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with my bare face. First, I'm gonna brown my face. I'm using the Bobbi Brow Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've been using this one a lot lately. It's a lightweight, oily-free moisturizer plus primer. It hydrates, softens my skin without making it greasy. It's good for dryness, oiliness, fine lines, and wrinkle. It also a primer, so it helps your foundation go on so smoothly. I just dab it onto my skin. To get the underglow, subtle all over glow, I'm using the new Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. I love this cream highlighting sticks, and the one that I'm using today is Champagne Flash. What I do with this one is I dot this all over my face. I love this cream highlighting stick. It's a beautiful natural highlight. It just melts into your skin and gives you a natural beautiful glow, like your skin lit from within. It does not look chunky or glittery. For the foundation, you can use any foundation that you like, but for this makeup, I want to have something a little bit lightweight. I want to have a fresh face, skin line makeup, so I'm gonna use my Nars Natural Radian Longwear foundation. This one is a medium, beautiful to full coverage. It's lightweight, it's face resistant, and it has a natural finish. I'm just gonna use it with my Morphe F439. I'm gonna just use the brush and blend everything together into my skin. This is gonna give me an all over glow. I just love this foundation. It's really natural. As you can see, it's give me the all over glow. It's very natural. I'm gonna let my foundation dry down a little bit and start working on the eyes. I'm gonna brown my eye with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. You can set your eyes with whenever setting powder that you want. Today I'm gonna use the Mercier translucent powder. For the eyes today, I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona Tropic Palette. I already did first impression on this. I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out. I know this palette is a little bit pricey, but I just love this palette. I've been using this one a lot lately. First, I'm gonna go with Pastel Melon. I'm gonna use it as my transition color. The matte shades in this palette is so creamy. You don't have to do a lot of blending with this matte shades. Next, I'm gonna go with Laguna. It's an aqua. I'm gonna blend it on the entire crease area, but I'm keeping this low on the crease today. I don't want to bring it up in the brow too high because it can get way too much very quickly. I want to keep it wearable today. I'm gonna keep it nice and low on the crease. Whenever I don't have anything left on my brush, I'm just gonna do a small circular motion to blend out the edge so I don't have any more harsh lines on my eye. But I try to keep it really low. I don't want to bring it up too high. Next, I'm gonna go with this gorgeous mint frost. It's a frosty blue with a sparkling finish. She suggests that we use this shade with finger, so I'm gonna use that with a soft patting motion. I'm gonna use my MAC 242 and just kind of like clean up. I'm just gonna go back to Laguna a little bit and try to like darken the crease a little bit. With my Marc Jacob gel liner, I'm just gonna highlight my eyes. I'm gonna curl my lash real quick. I'm gonna coat my lash with the Benefit Back Gel Band. I'm just gonna do a thin coat with this one because I'm gonna put lashes. You don't have to put on lashes if you don't want to. You can wear this one without lashes and would be good. For the lash, today I'm gonna use the House of Black lash in the style Dermo Light. Lashes are on. While I wait for my glue to dry, I'm gonna finish my face. To brighten my under eye a little bit, I'm gonna use the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I'm gonna dab it. This one also helps to conceal any darkness. Then I'm gonna go in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I just love this concealer. It's really lightweight. And just put on the side of my nose. Just blend this one out. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna contour my face a little bit with the Kat Von D Shades and Light Contour Kit. I'm gonna use this middle shade and just run this lightly right here. Just run it a little bit on the side of my nose. Do it just a little bit right here, a little bit right here. Now I'm gonna use my Hourglass Ambient Light Edit Volume 3, and I'm gonna use this Fill Light, and I'm gonna dust up the setting powder. When I dusting the setting powder with this one, for some reason this one is just kind of like blurring my pore and look help my under eye look so smoothly. I'm gonna go back to Laguna with my Morphe 432. I'm gonna bring it from outer corner to my inner corner, but I'm just gonna stop it right here in my tear duct. I'm not gonna wrap it around my inner corner. With my Morphe E36, I'm gonna go back to Pastel Melon. I'm gonna blend this under eye. I'm gonna go to Limoncello, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. I'm also gonna use this for my brow. To warm up my face, I'm gonna use the Anastasia powder bronzer in the shade Tawny, and I'm just gonna warm up my face. I'm gonna top up my bronzer with the Hourglass Ambient Radiant Bronze Light. This one gonna give me a sun-kissed glow. Just a little bit over my nose. For blush, I'm gonna use my Tarte Bazaar blush palette. And I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's called Accelerating. Just a little bit. I think it's going really well for spring. To intensify my glow, I'm gonna go back to my Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. I'm just draw the light on the high point of my face. I just love this highlighting stick. As you see, it's giving me a really natural glow. It's not glittering. A little bit on my nose, on my cupid's bow. It goes so well on top of the powder. And you just blend out the edge. It's give me a really wet, natural look. Now I'm gonna go to my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. For my lip, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacob lip liner in the shade SlowBurn. I'm just gonna top it off with the Marc Jacob gloss in the shade Pretty Thing. To finish this off, I'm gonna spread it with the Matte Fit Blush. I feel like I need to brighten my eyes a little bit, so I'm gonna go to my Marc Jacob gel liner. It's a creamy white. I'm just gonna run it on my lower lash line. I love the way this looks with the bright in the corner and the white on the lash line. It's different. It's giving me a whimsical vibe. This is the complete look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it when you do. Leave me a comment down below what other product that you want me to try on and what other look that you want me to do. I hope you have a great day and I will see you in my next video.